quiet fields where the blessings flow. We lift our hands, let the Spirit flow. Through the storm and trials, we find our way. God rain it down, guide us every day. Oh, let the heavens open wide. Fill our hearts with love inside. Rain it down, or let it pour. Bless our lives forevermore. Let your glory light our way. Guide us, Lord, both night and day. As the sun sets low, we'll stand and praise, for your mercy shines in so many ways. In every drop, there's a story told, called your grace and love that never grows old. Lord, let us feel your warm embrace. Shower us with your holy grace. Rain it down, or let it pour. Bless our lives forevermore. Let your glory light our way. Guide us, Lord, both night and day. Rain it down, we'll be your light. In your love we find our might. Rain it down, Lord, let it pour. Bless our lives forevermore. Rain it down, Lord, let it pour. Bless our lives forevermore. Let your glory light our way. Guide us, Lord, from night and day. Rain it down. Look at your light. In your love we find our mind.